Buying the Denon 7.2 channel AV receiver, especially at this price, is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your home theater right now. Make sure to click the link in description below to get this AV receiver at the best price. This receiver hits a really nice balance between power, future-ready features, and ease of use. With 80 watts per channel and true 7.2 surround support, it delivers clean, punchy sound that instantly makes movies, sports, and games feel more immersive. Dolby Atmos and DTS-X add real depth and height to the audio, and even if you don't have ceiling speakers, the virtualization does a surprisingly good job of creating that overhead effect. On the video side, you're getting advanced 8K HDMI support with 4K at 120Hz, which is perfect for next-gen gaming and fast-action content. What really stands out is how flexible this receiver is. 6 HDMI inputs, AVR-X support, dual subwoofer outputs, and even a phono input mean it works just as well for a modern gaming setup as it does for vinyl lovers. Built-in HOS makes wireless music streaming simple across multiple rooms, and voice control with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant adds everyday convenience. The on-screen setup guide is also beginner-friendly, so you don't need to be an audio expert to get great results. There are a few things to consider. This isn't a high-end audiophile receiver, and power users with very large rooms might want something stronger. It also doesn't include pre-outs for all channels, limiting extreme upgrade paths. Still, for most people, the performance easily outweighs those limits. For the price, the Denon AVR-X1700H offers excellent sound quality, modern connectivity, and long-term value. Check the link in the description below, compare today's pricing, and grab it while the deal is still available. You'll hear the difference immediately.